Hey everybody, Josh here with Mentor Public Library, bringing you another episode of Artpocalypse, our weekly arts and crafts video series. Here to show you something cool. Let's get started. Okay, so today's craft I'm going to show you guys how to make bracelets out of popsicle sticks. So this is a jumbo popsicle stick. You can use the regular size one too, whatever you have laying around. You're going to need adult supervision if you're not an adult, because you have to boil these. So set a pot on the stove and boil some water, and then throw in a couple popsicle sticks, or use an electric kettle like I did in the back. Let it boil for a couple minutes and then turn it off and let these sit in hot water for probably about like 2 hours or so. They should start to be pliable, which means they can bend. So once they get to that point where they're easily manipulable? I don't know.
Easily manipulated.
Easily manipulated. Thank you, Jason. What you're going to want to do is take a cup or like an empty glass jar or something, and then just kind of press this into it, like so, on the inside here, and then you can like kind of press it up against the edges. And then you're going to want to let that sit for about a day, because that needs to dry out and it'll retain the shape of this cup, right? So presto changeo, I had one ready. So this is what it looks like when it's dry, right? It forms this little bow so you can wear it on your wrist. And if you're an adult, or if you have wider wrists like me, something you can do is just glue on a little bit of ribbon. And then I also took like a magazine ad and covered this up, so you can beautify these however you want. And you can have really cheap but really cool looking bracelets, like so. And you can also use markers or like paint and pretty them up, and you have these cute little bangles.